Girl, I mean over my room. New paint, new decorations. Oh, that machine. Can I really not breathe without it? It's been driving me crazy for years. What can I do?
Funny you should say that.
What the
This
what?
is the Aura Lift. How did I get in your room? Don't ask, but this is how simple it is to use. Look, cover up that CPAP machine, attach your head strap to the hook, and voila. Girl, you just lifted the aura in this room. More styles and color creation dropping monthly. Check out the Aura Lift on Out of This Wood by James.